ex Skeel US Ivy. Prince Harry has filed 6 separate lawsuits, all of which allege that his safety and privacy have been abused on multiple occasions. A litigation expert has warned that Prince Harry's conflict with the media is going to cost him millions of pounds in legal bills to defend himself. The Duke of Sussex has been investigating claims that the publisher of The Sun and the now-defunct News of the World engaged in improper collection of information and is taking legal action against them. On Thursday, a court made the decision that the royal will only be able to prosecute a portion of his case. The judge determined that the charges of phone hacking could not be pursued because there was insufficient witness or documentary evidence. The attorney Paul Britton cautioned that the judgment was another blow to Harry's effort to preserve his privacy from being disclosed. However, he also gave the impression that the Duke will not be deterred by the verdict from continuing an endeavor that he considers to be completely worthwhile. Britton stated the following in an interview with the Daily Express. "This is yet another blow for Prince Harry in his privacy war against the tabloids." The court made the decision that Harry could not proceed with his claim related phone hacking. However, it did permit his charges surrounding the hiring of private investigators to carry through to a trial, which is slated to begin in January 2024. A lawyer from Britain and Time Solicitors projected that the ongoing legal dispute will most certainly cost the Duke of Sussex millions of pounds. He stated, "The legal costs involved in these proceedings are likely to exceed the millions of pounds by the time we reach the end of the year. At the beginning of the process, I frequently have conversations with clients about the funding requirements, and in many instances, I ask them if everything will be worth it if they had their way." Since moving to the United States and announcing their surprise deal with Netflix 1058 days ago, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle have passed a milestone that has led some experts to claim that their empire is now crumbling. Prince Harry, likely spurred on in part by his wife and by his personal vendetta against the tabloids he felt drove his mother to an early grave, seems to think it will be. "I just can't seem to put my finger on it." In addition to this, he stated, "There are obviously issues that need to be tried, but Harry is a young man, and perhaps his effort would be best spent doing some good." The Duke filed a civil case saying that reporters at The Sun and the now-defunct News of the World had gathered information about him. The Duke's lawsuit was filed in the previous year. In his testimony in June, he claimed that the royal family had entered into a secret agreement with the British tabloid press, which barred him and Prince William from pursuing a legal case over allegations of phone hacking. His testimony was presented before the United States District Court for the District of Columbia. However, the judge argued that the Duke's legal team had not reached the necessary threshold of plausibility and cogency that would have permitted his case to proceed. Within the previous 12 months, the Duke has taken legal action in a total of 6 different cases, one of which involves News Group newspapers. In addition to the allegations that his privacy had been violated, he also engaged in a court battle with the Home Office over the decision that he and his family would not be receiving the same degree of protection as working members of the royal family. He argued that this decision violated his constitutional right to equality before the law. The Duke has also demanded that he should be able to pay for his own personal security from the police while he is in the United Kingdom. On the other hand, the Home Office has stated that granting permission for the payment would set a problematic precedent that could erode public confidence.